Have you ever looked at your baby and wondered, what can I do today that will build their brain for life? Not toys, not flashcards, not expensive programs, but real science-backed activities that actually rewire your baby's brain, strengthen neural pathways, and build the foundation for intelligence, emotional strength, and creativity. In today's video, you're going to learn 10 brain-boosting activities that top developmental experts, neuroscientists, and early childhood researchers swear by. These activities are simple, done at home, and they shape your baby's IQ, emotional intelligence, focus, memory, and future learning abilities. Let's begin. Activity 1. Face Talk, the #1 brain builder. From birth to 12 months, the most powerful brain-building tool is your face. When your baby stares at your eyes, copies your expressions, tries to mimic your voice, they are building. Social intelligence, language processing. Emotional regulation, mirror neuron development. Attention span, how to do it. Hold your baby 8 to 12 inches away. Use slow expressions. Say short sentences. Pause to let them respond. And why it works. Babies learn through serve and return, the back and forth dance between parent and child. More return moments equals smarter baby. Activity 2. The tummy time puzzle. Every time your baby lifts their head, reaches forward, or pushes upward, their brain fires new neural connections for balance, posture, motor planning, spatial awareness, crawling readiness. But here's the twist. Most parents only use flat tummy time. Try this. Create tiny puzzles. Place a toy slightly out of reach. Use a rolled towel under the chest. Change textures. Soft blanket, hard floor, play mat, add a mirror for motivation. This makes the brain work, not just the muscles. Activity 3. Sound mapping for a baby genius. Before babies speak, their brain is quietly building a map of sounds. Experts call this phonemic awareness, the foundation of future reading, future languages, problem solving, memory development. How to do it. Expose your baby daily to soft classical music, gentle household sounds, nature sounds, your voice reading, whispering, different rhythms. Avoid electronic toys. They overstimulate and weaken the brain's natural sound mapping. Activity 4. The exploration basket. This one is incredibly powerful for intelligence. Fill a small basket with safe, everyday objects. Wooden spoon, fabric pieces, silicone cup, soft brush, cold metal bowl, textured sponge. Place it in front of baby and let them explore freely. This builds problem solving, sensory integration, creativity, cause and effect understanding. This is Montessori 101. When babies explore real objects, they build a real brain. Activity 5. Mini conversations. Talking to a baby is good, but talking with a baby that transforms their brain. Even if they only babble, respond as if you're having a conversation. Example, baby, ah. Parent, oh, really? You saw a bird outside. This teaches communication rhythm, vocabulary absorption, turn-taking, emotional connection, confidence. Babies who get 1,000+ word interactions per day score higher in IQ and language tests later. Activity 6. Pattern play to boost problem solving. Patterns are the foundation of math, logic, memory, reasoning. But you don't need math toys. Use simple patterns. Clap, clap, pause. Tap, 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 pause. Shake or rattle in rhythms. Hide and reveal toys. Let baby predict what comes next. Their brain begins recognizing sequences, a key skill of high IQ children. Activity 7. Movement freedom, no containers. The biggest mistake parents make. Keeping babies too long in car seats, swings, bouncers, walkers, or strollers. This limits the brain. Movement is the engine of intelligence. Allow rolling, scooting, crawling, climbing soft cushions, pulling up, cruising. The more a baby moves, the more the brain wires the systems for coordination, planning, decision-making, balance, grit/persistence. A baby who moves freely learns freely. Activity 8. Reading with emotion. Reading flatly doesn't build the brain. Reading with emotion does. Use big expressions, sound effects, pointing, pauses, surprises, different voices. This activates the baby's entire language network. Bonus tip. Read the same book daily for 1 week. Familiar repetition equals deep neural growth. Activity 9. Outdoor brain supercharge. The outdoors is the most powerful classroom for a baby. Just sitting outside builds sensory integration, visual processing, calm nervous system, curiosity, spatial awareness. Do this daily. Show leaves. Touch grass. Feel wind. Listen to birds. Watch clouds. Babies exposed to nature early develop stronger cognition and emotional regulation. Activity 10. The genius formula. Struggle plus support. This one differentiates average babies from gifted ones. When a baby struggles a little, like trying to reach a toy, roll over, or stand up, and the parent does not rush to help, the brain begins firing circuits for resilience, persistence, confidence, problem-solving, and dependence. Your job is not to fix the struggle. Your job is to support the struggle. Say things like, "Keep trying, you're working hard. I'm here if you need me." This teaches a baby the most powerful lesson. I can do hard things. And that is the foundation of genius. These 10 activities don't require money. They don't require special toys. They don't require hours of planning. They require only you, your presence, your voice, your connection. If you do even 3 of these daily, your baby's brain will grow stronger, faster, and healthier. Because the real secret to raising a smart baby is simple. Nurture, not pressure. Connection, not perfection. Support, not overhelping. If you want part 2 or more brain-boosting series, tell me in comments.